I'm Bella to Bella. I'm very famous.
I like him.
Oh, you wanted Liz. He's really. Do you want to see my chocolate chip cookies?
Oh my God, nice.
Do you want to taste one? They're made with French butter. Oh, you guys want a cookie too?
They're really good. I like them.
I made these chocolate chip cookies. They're made with love. They're really good. They think I'm going to kill them or poison them. I made chocolate chip cookies. They're from love. No, okay. It's too scary to just offer strangers food. You just can't do it. It's a dance team! These are my chocolate chip cookies. They're made with love.
That's good.
Can I have a little bite, girlfriend? These are divine.
Where do you work?
I'm a psychotherapist. In my spare time, I have this cooking show. I lost an eyebrow. It didn't have adhesive with it. We're making today the New York Times crinkle chocolate chip recipe.
My most favorite chocolate chip cookies. I can't even explain it. They're just fantastic.
It's the Stella DeBella
I mean,
experience.
This is like the go-to. I mean, I must. Can he go?
No.
He's bothering me. This is a really special recipe, and like the ability to find a really awesome recipe is like a great thing. It doesn't have to be my recipe. I found, right? I'm absolutely overwhelmed by everybody being here. As crazy and wild as I've been, the fact that you guys were all willing to participate, you've been really supportive. Thank you for that. I heard you secretly were just not to my face. There's a secret to this recipe. French butter. French butter takes any good recipe and makes it amazing. When you bite this cookie, all you pretty much taste is butter and chocolate and sugar.
amazing salt.
I forget the name. It's from the south of France. I rode horses there. I'm gonna have to Google the salt. It's a flaky.
You have a magical salt here today?
No, not today.
So it's not part of this cookie that we're about to
Not
make.
essential. The first thing you do, this is 2 cups flour. This is 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and then I'm just gonna whisk my dry ingredients. 1/2 pound of butter, roughly 227 grams. That didn't sound very rough, does it? And we're putting this into my mom's mixer, and we're gonna really hope that this works. You're supposed to use a paddle attachment, everybody, but she didn't have the paddle attachment. This is 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, though you can use dark. We're gonna beat this on medium. Oh, it is smelling like something's on fire.
How about this?
I'm using my energy now instead to mix the sugar in with the butter. This is called creaming. But back on the prairie, I learned how to do this, right, Ma?
Yeah,
That's right.
I tell you.
And this is 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, though when I made my cookies last night by myself, I used I think it's about 3/4 of a vanilla bean, but it costs an arm and a leg. And now we're gonna add 1 egg, and then just mix to combine.
No radish, Daniel. Yeah?
What you're gonna find out now, Mom, is what a labor-intensive, time-consuming cookie this is. And you're gonna appreciate this cookie all the more because there are like 5 steps now. I mean, I'll spend like half a day working on these things. Now you're gonna add the flour.
Tulip loves this part.
We're using some coarsely chopped chocolate because this creates a nice kind of longitudinal, spreading, melty chocolate as opposed to a simple little round, what are those chip thing?
Morsels.
You're gonna see like it's almost gonna look like it's like a lava of chocolate. The recipe calls for 6 ounces of chocolate, but thanks to my mama, she said it needs more chocolate, and so now I use about 7.5 ounces. Okay, so you can use parchment paper or aluminum. I don't want to use aluminum because aluminum heats up. It can actually leak into whatever you're cooking. I try to avoid aluminum. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put these in the freezer for 15 minutes before we cook these.
Get out of here, why?
I have no idea.
I could have danced all night. I could have danced all night.
Spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you dizzy?
What does the spinning do for the cookies?
It's a great
It
question.
aerates them. I actually, Alex, don't know, but we're gonna find
What did you
out.
preheat the oven to?
I preheated the oven to 350. This is the special, super special technique. You may all want to see this.
Look at those cookies.
You see?
Wow.
And now, what we're gonna do,
We're big. Oh, Jesus.
And what does that do?
I'm taking the cookies and I'm baking them on the center divide so that they flatten. That we're gonna get the crinkles.
What are the crinkles?
I'll show you. Why does everybody need to know everything? The crinkles look like wrinkles, not sprinkles, but wrinkles. And they're gonna make these kind of like wavy, circular, spreading, cool. You'll see them. We left it in for another 3 minutes, and then, another baking. And you see how we're beginning
looks
to create
great.
the crinkles? We're doing this every 3 minutes until they're done. You guys? Okay, go. They're done. Drum roll. Also, we're all aware that we just made 4 cookies and it took, what, 3 hours? But these are the best, most time-consuming chocolate chip cookies you will ever make, but they will be the best.
Pancake cookies.
Someone should try them. She doesn't like soft cookies. She's not gonna like these.
Mom, but you're gonna pretend.
No, and they shouldn't do that. They shouldn't do that. They need time to, like, here. If you like cookie dough, you'll love these.
Oh, I love them.
So good.
They
are so good.
if you give them time to cool, they'll harden.
Yeah.
They're really good.
They were crisper the last one.
They'll take a little bit, Mommy, if we let them cool, they'll crispen up. Okay. Sorry to cut this short, but I gotta go hang with my family. We're gonna devour these delicious cookies. For anybody who's watching, I hope you had fun. I hope this inspires you to make something fantastic that you're gonna love eating with people that you love. Perfect. Bye, everybody.